on loan. He try to go loan. We loan and come out.
Transfer window don't finish.
No, we loan you. We loan you come up from Arsenal. You go play ball for France, and of course you don't return back. If you don't hear the voice, you know that Akpos there with us. This makes sense. Even Akpos, how far?
Oga Richard agreed to contribute for Halo.
Of course, we both of us go full up on top. Matters will go happen. Talking about for the different games from the EPL to the La Liga to the Serie A, different make sense games where they're playing. Now, man will start up with what they happen around this man. The caller talking about Mason Greenwood, where today for the press briefing, the guy with the call talking about Eric Ten Hag, don't talk say he no go yarn anything around Mason Greenwood matter. Now, if you follow up the updates around Mason Greenwood, and talk on the fact say don't drop the case more for court, and somebody expect them to return back to play for Man U. Somebody the club should go investigate to know what really be the issue, whether the guy is guilty of the matter. But of course, more will start with this Greenwood matter. This makes sense evening. Greenwood to return back to the play ball for Man U, to loan him come out, to sell him. What do you do with Greenwood?
Because for me right now, I think saying Manchester United now na them if you understand. I then go feel know how they will handle this matter pass, because we don't see all the reports when they come out, only 3 when they come out say the court say they're not going to press criminal charges again, say, because one of the key weaknesses for inside the matter don't decide say they don't want to testify for inside.
And I read one thing about the girlfriend. One story me put with a trend for social media around the fact say if they cheat on her, something like that, and why she do all those stuff and we go report her and everything like that.
And so we don't really get all the evidence when inside this matter, so we not go feel really talk concerning that one. But where I look the matter, I know say many water don't pass under the bridge. You understand? Them too don't sit down. So okay, how far we will do this matter pass and all. But personally, the way I say think, I believe say money don't change hands for inside this matter.
Now your opinion with that?
My own opinion is say money don't change hands. So as money don't change hands, that so country people then they decide okay but I say we'll not go settle for court, make carry and go
outside court, settle outside court, and
exactly.
Yes, the case don't come. But waiting be the way forward for Greenwood, talented player, play with 2 foot. If you play with the left, if you play with the right foot, very very great man. And if you look right now, Man U they miss the kind of Greenwood football. Now some they say make Man U sell him, some they say make Man U loan him. Some they say make Man U make him start the play immediately for Manchester United. If you be the Man U coach now, what you could just do? You could just allow the guy return back, or maybe make the guy just can't rub any matter, can't join the club.
I think say this matter now one matter where they go drag well. Because if the club decides they go sell him, you go see some section of the fans when go the ginger say why they sell him. Greenwood, not talented player, is a big play ball. Also, if the club decides they won't bring him back, after they don't do their own investigation from inside the matter back, say making the game play, you go see a section of the fans when be like say go talk say why this guy they play for us. We see many things when come out for that matter within him and his girlfriend where they wrong, because we don't forget say this section of the whole fan section women they you understand?
Yeah, of course.
So women too, they go always still talk about this matter, say why the club take this decision, why the club take that decision. I don't see some Manchester United fans when don't talk say they no one see him make him play for the club again. Some still they talk say that they expect when the player will come back. So at the club now know how
the club will fit, follow up the matter. Now I want to go straight to talk about Chelsea, where the man Aubameyang, they miss from the players who go they part of football level for Chelsea during the Champions League. Now many for expect the man Aubameyang to be among those who go they part of their squad for Champions League. But of course, the reporter don't drop him. They include the guy they call Enzo Fernandez into the list. Of course, Enzo Fernandez, we talked about him last time about Aubameyang, and the facts Aubameyang, I know it's a pillar to post, but Aubameyang, since after Arsenal movement, I always talk around the fact say good make players they try force themselves out to leave the club because of that it gets serious repercussions. If you look at it's now part of the issues where they affect Aubameyang. Some say Aubameyang return back to Chelsea as maybe revenge. You want to take revenge. I want to show Arsenal. So yes, I feel come London. I feel to conduct club. I feel to score goals. But it can't be as if in career nobody they go as many they expect. As well as when they forget a player like Aubameyang, he did Chelsea.
For me, I think say Aubameyang for remain for that Barcelona where he did. Because they see more game time compared to what they see for Chelsea. Because now so that he bench for Chelsea, people like what they weird.
Yeah.
You understand? Better weather and I weather. you get all those kind of way they wet badge, be like that wet that in share for bench for Chelsea. So, but I believe say maybe still, but one thing with transfers, every transfer na risk.
Yeah.
If it work out,
if it work out well,
you
yeah.
understand? So, but this one no they work out because one thing when he signed for Chelsea, when he decided saying that number 9 JC won't take. I want to talk about that number 9
Number 9 JC.
I can't ask people for social media say country people how wanna see this matter when happens when Aubameyang one good Chelsea won't collect that number 9 JC. We don't see the number of players who don't flop with that JC.
Yeah.
Some people say
we know the history of number 9. We know the history of number 9.
Some people say no number 9 cost. Some people say that number 9 cost. That number 9 JC it get as it be, you understand?
You know, guy, you ask where something to happen to you.
People they talk say if Pussy cry for night, Picky can't die for money.
Yeah.
You understand? Many are they involved. So that number 9 JC too. Some people still believe, say that number 9 get as it be, say he join waiting.
But some will still debate on the fact, say Chelsea will play him as striker and normally guy a winger. Some kind of debate around that matter.
Na striker, I don't believe saying a winger. Na striker where they play from the left. We don't see we
from,
don't see many strikers like that. It don't mean say you no be number 9.
So if you say if one call am saying some will talk about the facts, even when Arsenal carry more as a winger, be put Lacazette as their striker, but Lacazette don't really been give them waiting they really been wanting. That's why they can't change, can't rotate the position on top, the man they call Aubameyang. But we'll say that put Aubameyang. Now, Akpos we'll go straight into talk about the fixtures of this week for the EPL. Now, different makes sense fixtures. They start from this evening where we get the first game, Chelsea against Fulham. Chelsea spend millions of pounds for the winter transfer window. And right now, we want to see how they want to take line up, how they want to do the miracle work with all these players. They go return back to football level today against Fulham. What we go to expect from Chelsea? They fit hammer Fulham. Fulham, they're good, no doubt, this season.
The money we Chelsea spend for this transfer window, as they pain some people, the sweet Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans, nobody happy reach them. You understand? After this transfer window, I could put up one post for social media asking people say, how na see this transfer window when just finish? So you they satisfied with waiting your club do. If you check that, when I check that the full comments within on that post. Now more Chelsea fans and many of them they rate their transfer 10 over 10.
10 over 10. And you know buy some players what amount of money where we they argue how you take by the players. But beyond all these players now, how the coach won't take assemble these guys. You don't buy them.
Exactly.
And we go see the first test maybe today against Fulham. How you want to take assemble all these guys for inside the field?
From what we see from Chelsea now, we know say for the next transfer window, the summer transfer window, many players will come out.
Yeah, sure.
Because
sure.
now, so some of these players when they bring, they come. So
they must get share to play.
New generation of the new Chelsea players we see. So some players they go pursue many people by the summer. So it didn't left for the coach now. So now here work start because to me now no excuse again. You say you want this player, as you point out, the owners don't bring up. As you point that one, so if you don't deliver, guy,
if Chelsea no fit beat Fulham today, we'll ask big question.
If no, we no go just judge them based on that one.
No, they ginger sports high already.
People go ask question, but some of these players, how many training sessions they don't get?
But right now,
they need time to adapt.
No, now. Chelsea fans, I think Chelsea fans decided to the blast. I did that side to the Chelsea fans. Now they want results. As Chelsea fans don't talk about the fact, say, we don't try for the transfer window. Now, no more excuse. No more, no N'Golo Kante. No more. Now, what do they want now? They want results. So the results supposed to start from this evening against Fulham. Did they play for Stamford Bridge? What's the excuse they won't get again?
I tell you, Oga Richard now.
Yeah.
The results no go only start. It's supposed like you talk. It's supposed to start from Fulham, but no be only Fulham match.
Okay.
You understand? The owner said for Chelsea they don't decide they won't give according to the report. So we see. So they won't give Graham Potter some time make it show what he go fit do normally. So make people know they expect any sacking matter won't happen anytime.
The contract is long, so if you take a risk, you watch one sack.
And the number of the amount of money they don't spend. So when owners they spend like this, that's not to tell you say they trust their manager.
So Chelsea Fulham who go win?
I think Chelsea go win this one.
Chelsea go win this one.
They close. Maybe 1-0 or 2-1.
Okay. Now more we shift our attention to tomorrow. Arsenal, no one call Arsenal your team, but Arsenal they play tomorrow against Everton. Call them the toppers of the EPL to be very, very correct. Everton they struggle, new coach, the man Sean Dyche as their coach right now, and everybody would expect Everton to show some normally once a team get new coach, they get this kind initial ginger where they go feel follow up. But the Arsenal team right now, so much respect to Arsenal. Arsenal, they play very good football. We watch them every week. We watch Arsenal. You go just love Arsenal. And Arsenal don't really rest, this period. A bit of rest for Arsenal against Everton. You believe the initial Gragra fit over Everton tomorrow?
I think Everton will give Arsenal a wahala normally, because once club get a new coach like that, the players were impressed, because now as new coach they come, whether you be starter under the former coach before, no matter how. Now, this new coach, from the day where Waka entered the door, now that day, now he's starting own record. So everybody want to impress. You understand? And this team, now, team will be like, say, as they look like, don't be like, say, they don't deal for inside this relegation matter. So definitely, it'll give Arsenal a wahala. But I think, say, the kind doings where Arsenal they deliver right now, it could do too much for Everton to feel hold for 90 minutes.
So Arsenal win.
So I think
Arsenal doings right now, waiting normally where Everton feel hold.
No, Everton no feel. It's not going easy for them. So for 90 minutes.
Arsenal
when Arsenal play man, you see how say the grass suffer now. But that match, we see one of the best Premier League games where I don't see.
We see great football from Arsenal. Great football. Now, listen, the Arsenal we see back in the invisible years, not the Arsenal of recent years. Now, more we shift attention to other games tomorrow. Man U against Crystal Palace. One that very, very tough match. We'll go like see. Now, Crystal Palace would they be home Man to it? I think a draw. For the first leg of this fixture for the the EPL, right? Where the home that game be end 1-1. Man U Crystal Palace. What do they expect? Man U beat Crystal Palace. The day without Christian Eriksen, we watched Man U during the Carabao Cup, and we see the fact that they missed Christian Eriksen, part for the midfield. But good one for them. I think Casemiro they return back to play ball for the Man U team. So waiting, you could expect whether Man U beats Crystal Palace for that match.
I don't think Crystal Palace defenders go feel Marcus Rashford.
The guy on fire.
Marcus Rashford just win the Premier League player
of the month. Yeah. No one argue that one. He deserve him.
Anything when the body touch now go.
I wonder how Rashford, the kind of form where he just enter,
That confidence now.
The confidence just,
once as a striker, once you don't get your confidence back, they hard for people to notice him.
Yes.
Anything where you do, they work for you. If you give defender like this, it go
It they say to agree, say maybe Ronaldo be the block Rashford performance?
I don't go want to talk like that because of what Ronaldo not do. You understand? Ronaldo na senior man. I know they want. You understand? I know they want to get the way after the talk Ronaldo matter because Baba did for up there.
Okay, on that very interesting game will happen again with the Wolves and Liverpool game. Wolves Liverpool. But Liverpool, nobody believe Liverpool again.
Liverpool right now, now be who don't they for ground, not the fear to fall.
Yeah.
Now be Liverpool. Liverpool now God I beg.
But I still believe Liverpool go God I beg. But I think Liverpool will still finish top 6. I still believe, respect the Chelsea fans. I don't believe Liverpool will finish above
unless they
Chelsea.
Improve, because what I
no, I believe I still believe.
Unless they go improve on what that they do, what they play now. Because what I did see in the last 2 weeks.
Yes, very poor performance from them. Very poor performance from them. Now more we'll touch on the main game, the Super Sunday game, talking about on Sunday when we will get Tottenham play against Manchester City. Now, very tough fixture. Everybody would expect Tottenham to, for example, Arsenal fans would hope to Tottenham feet, hot Man City. Same to with Man U fans with a hope. But how you see that game to play out? The City team right now, they very tough. City they play very good football. We see they take them, and we know City if we go 10 games straight win against Tottenham. What do you feel so?
That Man City team, I tell everybody always say for this Premier League, Man City not be anybody meet first. You understand? So, but Tottenham, that team where they give Man City problem for recent time. So I believe they fit. But if Man City get their Man City day, if it be like 3 to 4.
Before Erin Highland score with this. Wow, this guy good. Now Erin Highland good at like normal team. Who's score? Ariana score. Go to Ariana score. So yeah, so it be right now.
They won't break all the record.
All the record they break. All the record they break. So we go see. It gets very interesting match when those two guys go play. We don't feel follow up on top of the La Liga and of course the Serie A because of time. Of course, thank you, just makes sense.
My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.